Every printed circuit board begins with precision drilling. Each spindle operates at speeds up to 180,000 revolutions per minute, achieving a drilling accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. These systems are engineered for consistency, with automated pressure control, quick tool adjustments, and safeguards to minimize drill bit breakage. The result is fast processing, stable performance, and high production efficiency across every panel. Once drilling is complete, automated guided vehicles transport the panels to the next stage, ensuring a continuous, hands-free workflow between stations. For HDI and rigid flex PCB designs, precision reaches another level. Laser drilling creates microvias and buried vias smaller than any mechanical bit can produce. It's also used for flexible PCB profile cutting and rigid flex decapping. After drilling, the panels enter the plasma smear system, where a low-temperature plasma process, around 62 degrees Celsius inside a vacuum chamber, removes resin residue and contaminants from every hole. This step activates the surface, ensuring proper copper adhesion during the plating process. Together, mechanical drilling, laser processing, and plasma cleaning form the foundation of reliable interconnects in every PCB.